Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a typewriter comments to your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this comment option, and here you will find this typewriter, that is alternative of add text. Click here and click anywhere you want to add typewriter. I select here and type text, new text here, and select here replace text or note you want to put here, and press enter and type another line and see this, and select control selected text. You can see this font size, increase decrease. You can see this color, text color, and see this. In this way you can add typewriter text comment on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.